In this video, I'm going to show you how to invoice on Yardbook. Now, the first thing you want to do here on your dashboard, you want to go to invoices here on the left, and you want to click on that. And then from here, you want to click on plus invoice, which will create a new invoice. Now, I'm going to go into this one, which I already have here. There's some info that's blurred because I have just some random data in here, but still I'm going to blur it. And then here, you can select the customer. You can click on the customer. You can click on, of course, their name. As you can see, I have a bunch of tutorial sample customers here I just created with some completely random data. And whenever you do that, of course, you'll be able to add an item under product and service, select the one you want. So I'm just going to do, for example, let's just do landscape over here, and I'm going to do add one items to invoice. And then over here, of course, you can change different things if you want, like quantity, unit price. You could go ahead and do, for example, $20. There we go. And it's going to update everything. You could go ahead and add more details as well, add more items, etc. And then you can add comments and then a detailed description if you want to as well. You can set this down here. You can add notes and attachments. And whenever you're ready, you can then just go ahead and click on this save button up top over here. So like this. There we go. It's going to basically allow you to customize it. I'm just going to do white background over here. And then whenever you do that, there we go. Your invoice is going to be created over here. And you can then just go ahead and send it to whoever you want. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.